Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BRKK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here, there we go. There we go. So all that there may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think there's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the past couple of days, and you can see by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up above 0.085. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.085, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a massive sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be down here at this previous breakout point, and that sits at 0.065. So 0.085, 0.065, two of those nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The price action's in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now again, yeah, staying up above 0.085, that would be, the greatest sign, but taking a step back and from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price remains above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, top priority right now by far is not breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and continuing to build higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built methodically over time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, and that's the name of the game. So great movement today, and focus on building those higher lows, and as long as that happens, the overall chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.